Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. AMD's $665 million acquisition of Silo AI, a proposed Senate ban on lawmaker stock trading, and slight gains in NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow amid rate cut hopes. Taiwan Semiconductor anticipates strong Q2 revenue driven by AI demand, while Costco reports a 7.4% rise in June net sales and hikes membership fees. Despite record highs for the S&P, underlying defiant behavior persists. Tesla's electric ventures may outshine its autos and robots as Musk targets 2024 for the new Optimus design completion. Apple eyes 7 consecutive sessions of gains. Stay tuned after this short ad break to dive deeper into these headlines. Advanced Micro Devices announced a $665 million all-cash deal to acquire European artificial intelligence lab Silo AI. Silo AI CEO Peter Sarlin will continue leading the team under AMD's AI group. The acquisition aims to bolster AMD's competition with NVIDIA in the AI sector and is expected to close later this year.
A bipartisan group of U.S. senators proposed a bill to ban congressional stock trading to prevent insider trading. Senators Jon Ossoff, Gary Peters, Josh Hawley, and Jeff Merkley introduced the legislation, which would also apply to spouses and dependent children by 2027. Penalties include forfeiting monthly salary or 10% of asset value.
The stock index rose on Wednesday, driven by hopes of rate cuts following Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's testimony to Congress. The S&P 500 increased by 0.3%, NASDAQ Composite by 0.5%, and Dow Jones Industrial Average by 0.1%. Treasury yields fell slightly, with the 10-year yield at 4.29% and the 2-year yield at 4.63%. Powell's balanced tone suggested a need for greater confidence in inflation control, hinting at potential rate cuts later this year. Investors await the June Consumer Price Index report tomorrow, expecting slight increases in both monthly and yearly figures.
Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company reported a 32.9% year-over-year increase in June revenue to 207.87 billion new Taiwan dollars, with Q2 revenue surging nearly 40% to 673.51 billion new Taiwan dollars. Despite a 9.5% drop from May, the first half of 2024 saw a 28% rise to 1.266 trillion new Taiwan dollars, driven by strong demand for artificial intelligence technologies.
Costco reported a 7.4% increase in June net sales, reaching $24.48 billion, up from $22.78 billion last year. The retailer will raise membership fees for the first time since 2017, effective September 1st. Annual fees for U.S. and Canada Gold Star and business members will rise by $5 to $65. Executive memberships will increase to $130 from $120.
The S&P 500 hit record highs in 2024, closing at 5,576.98 on Tuesday. Despite a 17% year-to-date gain, market breadth is narrow with about 40% of its components losing ground. Mega-cap tech stocks like NVIDIA and Microsoft are among the top performers this year.
Tesla's recent stock rally follows its Q2 deployment of 9.4 gigawatt-hours of energy storage, doubling Q1 levels and enough to power 10,000 U.S. homes for a year. Morgan Stanley now values Tesla Energy at $50 per share, up from $36, forecasting 100 gigawatt-hours by 2028. This growth impacts competitors like Sunrun and SolarEdge Technologies while insulating Tesla from auto industry headwinds affecting General Motors and Ford Motor Company.
Elon Musk announced on his platform X that Tesla's new Optimus humanoid robot design will be complete in 2024. Optimus aims to handle unsafe, repetitive, or boring tasks. Musk claims it will be cheaper than a car and could significantly boost Tesla's valuation from $822 billion to $25 trillion.
Apple's stock rose over 1%, aiming for a 7th consecutive gain, as the company plans to ship at least 90 million iPhone 16 devices later this year. Trading at $231.26, Apple targets a 10% increase in shipments. Analysts are mixed on the stock, with some raising price targets. Thanks for tuning in to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights and updates. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's been a pleasure, until we meet again tomorrow.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.